similar in sound but different in meanings. COUP coup. Coup means military coup. That is the sudden rise of the military regiment. COUP coup. Coup means compartment of a train. BRAKE brake. Brake means part of a machine or engine to control the bus, train, tram, etc. BREAK brake means snap or divide by force. HARE here, that is rabbit. HAR here, strands growing on the skin, head, etc. BAIT bait. Bait means food, piece of food to entice fish. BAT, that is a bad temper or rage. These are the four pairs of words, similar in sound but different in meaning.